Hello, my name is Charlie Harley, and this is my ATA analysis. So the article that I chose to read and examine for this assignment is Hip Hop Today, or Hip Hop, Today's Civil Rights Movement by Scott Simon. This article was published on March 3rd, 2003 to NPR. In this article, the author assumes that current hip-hop culture is more important to advancing civil rights today than the powerful words of Martin Luther King Jr. This is a very big claim to make, as Dr. King was the greatest mind in the civil rights movement of the 1960s. Despite this, hip-hop has blossomed into a way for artists to vent about issues going on in the world, especially life as a black man in the United States. This has propelled it to the front of the current civil rights movement we are seeing in the United States. The next assumption made by the author is that hip-hop is generation defining. He specifically compares hip-hop's impact on society to rock and rolls. He says that what rock and roll did for white society is similar to what hip-hop is doing for Black America and even African Americans, or not just African Americans, but black people around the world that are experiencing oppression. So, the overall thesis of this article is that hip-hop is acting as today's vessel of the civil rights movement. Hip-hop is becoming so influential to society that it is being used to raise awareness for what is happening in certain parts of America. Artists are now using music to tell stories about things that they have witnessed in the inner city parts of America. It is helping listeners of the music catch a glimpse of what their life is like in their hometown and the things that they see or that they saw on a daily basis. It's very eye-opening, and it is something that has resonated with me personally through listening to hip-hop music. Artists slash MCs have a gift of being able to create stories and vivid images through their music. And I think that's one of the very unique things about hip hop is that it's so storytelling and it's so vivid and vulgar, and it just gives you an overall total image of what the artist is trying to say. The author also argues that the hip hop movement is more relevant today than the most influential civil rights leader of all time, Martin Luther King Jr., as I stated earlier. In the words of the author Scott Simon, hip-hop, a social movement in and of itself, has been the most visible expression of the societal trepidation in regard to a full embrace of American society. Hip-hop has become one of the most important aspects of African American culture, as it is becoming one of the biggest methods of cultural expression for African Americans. Application. The art of emceeing has been constantly evolving, and today it is used to help spread awareness for social justice issues in America. Hip-hop started off as an abstract form of music, but it eventually turned into an art form that is leading the civil rights movement currently. The way hip-hop music is currently trending, it could be a legitimate way to bring about change and social justice reform. I think that if hip-hop continues to speak out against social justice issues and continues to be at the forefront of the civil rights movement today, that the music itself could help guide people to create change in the world for Black America. And I think that would be a very powerful thing to see in terms of hip hop music. Thank you for listening to my presentation.